Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how we made our plum and peach jams this year. Before we start on the recipe, let's get the jars ready. This is the same procedure for both the jams. To properly sterilize, wash the jars in detergent and rinse thoroughly. Submerge them in boiling water with the rack at the bottom. Make sure the water level is 1 inch above the tops of the jars. Bring the water to a boil for 10 minutes. Then reduce the heat in a canner and keep the jars in the hot water until it is time to fill them. I've got about 6 liters of blue plums here. Wash and rinse plums thoroughly before cooking. Do not soak. For best flavor, use fully ripe fruit. Remove stems and pits from the first batch. Measure the weight of the plums and deduct the weight of the bowl. This number will be used later to determine how much sugar to use. Grind them into a paste. Add half a cup of water and pour the fruit into a saucepan. Keep on stirring in regular intervals. Keep cleaning more plums, grinding them and adding to the saucepan. Measure the sugar. Determining how much to add is simple. Use 30% of the weight of the fruit for sweeter fruits and 40% for more sour fruits. Plums are quite sour, so I will use 40%. It's 10 cups for my amount. Add sugar and bring to a boil while stirring rapidly and constantly. Continue to boil until mixture thickens. This is a popular jam in Eastern Europe. They usually cook it for up to 5 hours until it becomes very thick. I don't have so much patience, so I am cooking it for only about an hour from the time the last batch went in. Let's do a refrigerator test. Pour a small amount of boiling jam on a cold plate, or you can just use the plate where you keep your spoon. Put it in the freezer for a few minutes. If the mixture gels, it is ready to fill. Take out your sterile hot jars. Pour the jam through a wide mouth funnel. Try not to spill, we are still learning here. Check for 1/4 inch headspace and wipe rims of jars with a damp paper towel. Then seal the jars and place back into boiling water for 5 minutes. Now take the jars out and let them cool down. I got about 6 500ml jars from 6 liters of plums in the end. I also processed the peach jam and got 4 jars from 6 liters of peaches. Let's take a look at the peach jam recipe now. For the peach jam, I have used 2 3-liter baskets of peaches. We also need lemon juice, 1 pectin and 5 cups of sugar. Peaches are a low pectin fruit, unlike the plums. Peach jam with added pectin can be cooked in as little as 10 minutes, preserving its fresh flavor and quality. Without added pectin, it needs to be cooked up to 4 times longer to reach the gel stage, resulting in a much sweeter, less fresh-tasting jam. Wash your peaches well. Cut an X at the bottom of each peach, which will help with peeling once boiled. Now place the peaches in boiling water for approximately 3 minutes. then transfer to very cold water. Once cooled down, start peeling. The skins should just slip off easily. Take out the pits. As explained earlier for the sugar, this time we use only 30% of the weight of the peaches. For our quantity, this is 5 cups. Mash the peaches a little and add the lemon juice. Add the pectin, which speeds up the cooking process. Bring mixture to a full rolling boil. Add all sugar, stirring constantly, return mixture to a full rolling boil and boil hard 1 minute. Leave 1/4 inch headspace, place the seal and screw on the ring. Immerse for 5 minutes. I made 3 different peach jams, with and without pectin and with and without grinding the fruit. Let's do a quick taste test. The first one is ground and no pectin was used. Notice the color is darker than the other 2. The second one is with pectin and not ground. See the lovely texture it's got. The last one is ground and with pectin.
It's so chunky.
It's good. I tell you which is my favorite. This is good also. I think this one is my favorite. This is second and this is third.
So the conclusion in our family is that kids prefer ground peach jam and Dad prefers the chunky one. The jam without the added pectin tastes sweeter. With pectin, it tastes more fresh. Thanks for watching and let me know if you tried making these jams. Would love to hear your feedback. If you like this video, do consider hitting the subscribe button, which helps keep this channel going. Stay safe.